What's going on, guys? We're back at it again with another video. This is your M3E. Before we move on into the video, I'd like to keep reminding you guys, if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click that red button up there, and also your post notification bell button. Don't forget to click that on that too, because every time we upload videos, you'll be notified. So don't forget to do that, or make sure that you do that as you subscribe as well. So if you're a part of this team, we'd like to ask that you continue to be a good support to our team, and hopefully you'll be with us with the rest of the journey that we have. So anyway, so today's prank will be, I'm not gonna do any prank on mommy today, but what I will do is I will do a prank on those boys. I'm actually waiting on them to come back from school, so when they come back, boom, I'm gonna do a prank, and hopefully I will make sure that I show you guys how it's going down. So hopefully we have a good turnout, and hopefully everything goes well. All right, I'll see you guys. I better hurry up before they come, but hopefully this looks like a brownie, and hopefully they'll fall for it and make it look like a yummy brownie. So yeah. I'm really hoping that they would like this. All right. All right, so that's how it looks like right there. So hopefully, so guys, I'm gonna go set them up in the kitchen, and hopefully they'll fall for it. All right, see you guys later. All right, guys, look, it's right here. Let's write them. Aww. Okay.
Oh yeah, ja, no, Mom, Dad, Mom, who's this for? Mom, what's this for? What? This cake. Huh? I don't know. Someone did a prank. It's a prank. What? It's not. Those are for wash the dishes. I see the camera. That's a nice one. Oh!
Wait, did you eat it?
Yes.
Did you bite it?
Mm-hmm.
How did you do it?
I was like this.
Huh? Oh man! Oh!
Marlson, hi.
Wow! Sorry guys, you just got pranked.
You didn't prank me.
Yeah.
Is that Cheerio?
Okay, right. Let's save it for Mars. Okay, let's save it for Mars. So look at that. Let's come on, focus. Right there, you already beat it. Okay. Sorry, dude, you got pranked. We're gonna save it for Mars.
Dad, why you gotta do that? I was really hungry.
What? What?
I was really hungry. Yes! It gets better.
It gets better. Okay.
So, milk, coconut milk.
Okay, let's spread them out so Mars can eat it.
A few moments later.
Who made it? Mom?
Huh?
What? Why? I don't know how to make cake. When did you make that? What? How come I didn't know? Oh. Let's eat it. Hurry up so I can wash the dishes. Can you fix that coffee? Did you actually make it? Hunter, you want some? Did you try roasting? No. Let's taste it.
Mom, no.
What do you eat? This is a sponge.
You got pranked.
Oh wow. You got pranked?
You got pranked?
Yes. Oh, I thought it was real cake.
Yeah, I ate right here.
I try to cut it, and it looks like a sponge. That's how I know.
Look at the camera.
You got pranked. Yeah, you can eat it if you like. Hey, throw those teeth.
All right.
You said you're poor, Dad.
Oh, Mars. I'm sorry, guys. So, first he got pranked. Second time he got pranked too. So he really thought it was.
I was really hungry too.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I pranked you guys. Anyway, you want to close out the video?
Like and subscribe,
Get over there. So, yeah. So what did you guys think about the prank?
It was nice, but if it was real, I would have the best day of my life.
Yeah.
I thought I was hungry too. So
Yeah. Okay.
that is
What
not
about you,
good.
man? What did you think about the prank?
That was good.
Yeah.
I'll say
good.
you're going down next time.
Yeah. What about you, man? What did you think? Huh? You think it's good? Mars, did you fall for it?
Yeah, I did.
Huh? What? You fall for it? All right.
That was big.
All right, guys. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Click that like button. She doesn't like the prank. Those are my kids. Why you gotta do stuff like that to my kids? Anyway, all right. Hope you guys liked this video. See you guys in the next. Peace.